So if you have error in Instagram while uploading photos, then there is two solutions. To be fair, they work perfectly together, so I would recommend using both of them. Instagram module is lately pretty buggy, but there is a way to fix it. So first of all, I'm gonna have my image source. For that, I'm just gonna generate it with AI. And the first fix that I have is that I noticed that Instagram is less buggy with Dropbox module. So first of all, I'm gonna upload this image to Dropbox, and then from Dropbox, upload it to Instagram. So for that, I'm gonna add a Dropbox module. First of all, it's gonna be upload a file. I created here a temporary folder, so my file can go there. Next module that you're gonna need is also a Dropbox module, but this time it's gonna be create or update and share a link. And here what you need is file path, and for that you can take this file path lower from previous Dropbox module, and then that's it. Now you can take this photo and photo URL. If you write here URL, then you're gonna have download a URL. Click on it and then click save. If you want, of course, you can delete this image from Dropbox. For that, I'm gonna add here a delete file folder, and here also add this path lower. Here it is from the first module, and click save. So this way is less buggy, but sometimes still it runs to an error. So for that, I'm gonna add here another module as well, and it's gonna be, if you right click on Instagram module, then you have here add error handler. Click on it, and here take this break module. This allows to run this Instagram module more times if it runs to an error. For example, here is right now number 3. I'm gonna change it to number 5. So at least 5 times it's gonna try again to upload to Instagram until it actually does. You can here change interval, usually I use 2 minutes, and then click save. Yes, you also have to change here allow storing, also click yes and okay. So yes, this is maybe not the exact fix, but at least you get your images uploaded on Instagram. So let's run it. I used the same method in my previous video where I showed how to upload to different social medias at once. As you can see now, it worked with the first time because somehow Dropbox module is just not giving so much errors, but just in case we have this break. So this is a simple fix for this video. Have a beautiful day.